Jungle.
So hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set page breaks. So let's go. It's a method one to I will show you that how to set the page breaks. So if you face this problem, don't worry, I got you. You will see that here's the line you will see in your MS Word. Just set your cursor on the line and double click on it. It's very simple method to get the page breaks. You will set your cursor on the line and you will see it's double spaces. Double click to get white spaces. Just click on it and it's fixed. The easiest method and the very simple. If you have old version, don't worry. Here is a second method for you. So second method, go to file options. If you have old version, then go to more and then options and then display. And here's the first option that in display show white spaces. Just click on it and tick these options. Oh sorry. Just go to the file in options, display and show white spaces. This Take this option and okay. You will see it everything is fixed and all set. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe the channel and wait for my next video. Thank you.